Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Best Jewel Collection. Friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very attractive and a very beautiful collection of earrings and star earrings for you. So I hope that you like this beautiful and attractive fashion video of my channel also. So guys, first of all, I'm saying that and I'm requesting to subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. Thank you so much. So guys, coming back to our topic, as you can see that these type of earrings are very common and these type of earrings are very stylish and mostly wear in Pakistan as well. So as you can see that you can see different gemstones in these type of star earrings, and it's a very new and a very unique and a very precious collection for bridals and for ladies and teenagers also. So please watch this stunning and beautiful video of my channel till the end, and you can purchase them from anywhere and in cheap prices as well. But if you're going in a wedding ceremony of your bestest friend or any type of your family member or any family member, so you can purchase and you can wear these type of earrings and star earrings as well. So friends, as I've told you that you can purchase them from anywhere in cheap prices as well. So it's up to you that whether you want to purchase these type of star earrings or these type of earrings as in precious wear, like any type of stones or any type of gemstone on these type of earrings as well. So it's up to you that how could you wear and how you purchase. It's up to you that you can purchase these type of earrings from goldsmith and from silversmiths as well. But it's up to you that how you can wear and how you can maintain your body wearing these type of earrings. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and as I've told you that these type of earrings are of with special gemstone, and the gemstone is the ruby gemstone. So guys, watch the stunning and beautiful video of my channel till the end, and keep subscribing, keep liking, keep sharing my whole videos, and thank you so much for your love and for your support. And as I have told you that if you want to see any type of fashion video, any type of fashion jewelry accessory, so you can tell me in the comment box. I don't have any issue, just tell me in the comment box. So inshallah next time I'll bring the exact and the latest fashion for you. So guys, subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family. Hope to see you soon inshallah with a new video and with new fashion. Take care of yourself, and want to see any type of fashion video, so you can tell me. I don't have any issue. Bye bye, take care, see you soon guys. Allah Hafiz. For more new updates, visit my channel Best Jewel Collection as well. Bye bye.